Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some breezy conditions across regions currently. Do have a wind advisory in effect for winds at or greater than 25 knots, and that's going to be the case throughout much of the day today here at Wallops. We're going to see temperatures in the mid-40s for highs, so a chilly day across the region. Won't have any chances of precipitation or lightning, however. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we do have high pressure off the southwest over the southeast states, an area low pressure off the northeast over northeast states into eastern Canada. Pressure gradient between that is giving us some breezy conditions today. Our current observation, a few clouds at 2,000 feet. Winds are out of the northwest at 14 knots, gust 23 knots, temperature 38 degrees, and relative humidity around 45%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see we do have mostly sunny skies across the area this morning, and that's going to be the case throughout much of the day today. We'll see some serious cloudiness move in forward later on this morning in the afternoon hours, possibly giving us a period of some partly to mostly cloudy skies. And taking a look at the 3-kilometer AM model for the next few days, or 48 hours here, you can see good conditions today. As we move into Friday, we'll have an upper level disturbance move through the region, as well as a low developing off our coast. That's going to give us a chance of some rain showers for Friday afternoon, and seeing a possibility that lingering as a few snow showers late in the evening on Friday, but overall no chance of accumulating snowfall, across the region for our area Friday night. If we were to see anything, it'd just be a brief snow shower, and if we were to see any accumulation at all, it'd just be on the car tops and rooftops. So not looking at a major system whatsoever for our Friday evening, just a few snowflakes possibly in the air. And then moving into our Saturday, we'll see cold conditions across the region, an Arctic air mass in place across the area. So taking a look at our risk chart today, a high of 44, low tonight of 30. We'll see our northwesterly winds above 25 knots this morning, and then most likely continuing above 25 knots to the first half of the afternoon. So northwest around 11 to 17 knots throughout the morning into the afternoon hours, and gusting as high as 28 knots this morning. Overnight, our winds will die down, northwest 5 to 10 knots. Terminal forecast, VFR conditions expected the next 24 hours. We'll have more cloudiness moving in and have that upper level disturbance for tomorrow morning with some mid and upper level cloudiness across the region. Our tides are slightly below normal, looking at Friday into Saturday. Friday, mostly cloud overcast, a chance of rain showers by late afternoon, possibly mixing with some wet snow, during the evening. Very slight chance of a better thunderstorm as well, as we'll have a little bit of elevated cape across the region. Breezy by late afternoon, evening, a high of 46 degrees. We'll see our rain shower chances around 60%. Our winds will be gusting to 25 knots late in the day on our Friday. And looking at thunderstorm chance, about 10% across the region. For Friday night, mostly cloudy and windy, the chance of a lingering snow shower or flurry through the late evening, becoming partly cloudy, breezy, and cold overnight, a low of 28 degrees. We'll see those winds gusting above 25 knots, and we'll see a chance of that lingering snow shower or flurry around 30%. And then for Saturday, partly to mostly cloudy, breezy, and cold, a high of 37 degrees. Winds will be gusting above 25 knots throughout the day Saturday, with some cold temperatures, so wind chills will be in the 20s to lower 30s on our Saturday. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. We're back at 10 o'clock. Look like 7 days.